How to delete 1xBet account permanently. Hello everybody, welcome back to our channel. In this video we are going to learn how we can delete 1xBet account permanently, so make sure to watch the video till the end. Now deleting 1xBet account permanently is actually quite very simple. All you have to do is just go to 1xBet.com and then make sure that you are logged into your account. Then once you make sure that you're basically logged into your account, tap the menu icon from the bottom right of the screen here, and once you tap the menu icon from the bottom right, scroll down to the very bottom until you see the consultant option. So once you tap on the little consultant button here, you should be able to see this, where a chat is going to get in touch with you. So here you simply want to let them know to the customer support team that you would like to delete your 1xBet account. Then a live representative is going to get in touch with you, and then you should be able to go ahead and then basically delete those. This way you should be able to delete your 1xBet account permanently. Hope this video was very helpful. If you have got any questions, feel free to also leave them down in the comment section. Thank you for watching till the very end of this tutorial, and see you soon in the next video.